Today on Glory and Beauty, I'm going to show you how to do the simple, mindless, subtle yet noticeable lemon peel stitch pattern. To get started, we'll make a slip knot and place it on our hook. You'll use an even number of chains so you can work over an odd number of stitches. For mine, I'm going to chain 16 so I can work over 15 stitches. In the second chain from the hook, place one single crochet. To single crochet, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, and pull up the loop. Then you'll yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. Then you'll double crochet in the next chain. Yarn over and insert your hook into the next chain. Yarn over and pull up the loop, then yarn over and pull through two loops. Then yarn over and pull through the last two loops on your hook. You'll repeat this pattern, the lemon peel stitch pattern, down the row. One single crochet in one chain and one double crochet in the next chain. You will always end with one single crochet, so you will place one single crochet in the last stitch. And then chain one, and let's turn our swatch. You'll find the first stitch of the row and single crochet. And then you'll double crochet in the next stitch. Continue down the row in the lemon peel stitch pattern. One single crochet in one stitch, a double crochet in the next stitch, all the way down your row, and then in the last stitch, place one single crochet. Then you'll chain one and turn your swatch. And then you'll repeat row 2 until you reach your desired length. The lemon peel stitch pattern is a subtle yet very noticeable stitch pattern. It's perfect for those projects where you want texture, but you don't want it to be too overwhelming. What I love most about this stitch pattern is the mindlessness. It's a simple combination of two basic and beloved stitches that together create a breathtaking fabric. I hope you'll enjoy it as much as I do. Until next time, let's keep on making things for glory and for beauty.